She is organizing the kitchen efficiently. She is organizing the kitchen efficiently. She has sanitized the dining table. She has sanitized the dining table. She is arranging the utensils neatly. She is arranging the utensils neatly. She has assembled the storage boxes. She has assembled the storage boxes. She is disinfecting the bathroom floor. She is disinfecting the bathroom floor. She has replenished the household supplies. She has replenished the household supplies. She is categorizing the laundry carefully. She is categorizing the laundry carefully. She has polished the wooden shelves. She has polished the wooden shelves. She is vacuuming the corridor thoroughly. She is vacuuming the corridor thoroughly. She has sterilized the baby bottles. She has sterilized the baby bottles. She is preparing a nutritious breakfast. She is preparing a nutritious breakfast. She has reorganized the wardrobe. She has reorganized the wardrobe. She is decorating the living room elegantly. She is decorating the living room elegantly. She has eliminated unnecessary items. She has eliminated unnecessary items. She is folding the garments systematically. She is folding the garments systematically. She has maintained the house properly. She has maintained the house properly. She is cleaning the windows meticulously. She is cleaning the windows meticulously. She has renovated the study corner. She has renovated the study corner. She is managing the chores productively. She is managing the chores productively. She has completed the household routine. She has completed the household routine.